Well, hi everybody, I'm back at the bench again, about to start another build. It's 23rd of March today. No, the Bandai Group Build is still going on, so I'm going to try and jump in on that. I've got about 10 days left. This is my last kit, the only Bandai kit I have left. I've had this for quite a few years. It's called a Base Jabber Unicorn version. And let me prop it up here maybe. It's basically this part here. It's like a flying surface for the action figure. I guess a figure that wouldn't have its own rocket pack. And this would be the cabin here. The pilots and so on would be in there. So it's pretty big scale if it was real life. You can see it's basically just a base. And it's got some rockets on the back, I believe, and it's got little feet on it just to stand it up. Let me try and focus it here. It's the sub-flight system. It should be a fairly quick build. I'm looking forward to doing that. Not much color to it. I might try to add something on there. There's the feet there in the bottom left, the little landing gears. So it's still in the package here. This is put on by Tommy at ColonelRebScaleModels and Dan at Munchkin Modelling Man 72. Here's the instruction book. It's a typical Bandai kit. This doesn't come with the figure, just put your little Bandai Gundam figure on there. That's it. You can have it on one of these bases there to hold it up. And here's all the parts. I'll take them out of the bag and wash them up. Take a couple of pictures of them there on the washing machine. They don't go in the washing machine, that's just where they sit to dry on top. So I'll begin that, and I should be able to finish that in a few days before the end of the month. And stay tuned, I'll be back shortly with the beginning of the build. Well, here's all the parts on the 4 sprues and molded in color, dark blue and kind of a light powdery blue. Haven't chosen the color yet for this. I might do some of it in black, and then I want to do it metallic, like especially these landing gears here and that. I want to have some metallic colors on them. Might weather it up a bit. I'll have to see where I go with this. So stay tuned. We'll be back soon with some updates.